Primetime news this evening. Fourth wave, COVID spike among tourists at a number of hotels. Small hotels already feeling the impact of Omicron COVID variant. And training to use new COVID testing machine pushed back. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day. There's Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on calls to tighten the curfew for New Year's Eve? Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.